This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making a lockdown, kids-friendly recipe, sweet and sour potatoes and sausages.
My Busy Daddy Cooks.
In this lockdown, all schools are closed. All kids, like mine, are driving their parents up the wall. So, here's a kids-friendly recipe that will surely keep the kids happy. And therefore, keep the parents happy as well. We start with 4 peeled potatoes. You can boil or microwave them till they are cooked. If you are using a microwave, it takes about 8 to 10 minutes on high to cook the potatoes. Meanwhile, prepare the sweet and sour sauce. In a bowl, put in 4 tablespoons of ketchup, 4 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 3 teaspoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. Two tablespoons of water. Now, dice the potatoes into about 1-inch cubes. Chop up 3 cloves of garlic. And cut up the sausages. In a pan, put in 3 tablespoons of oil. Fry the potatoes till they are slightly browned. Be gentle so as not to break up the potatoes. Push the potatoes aside. Add a little bit more oil if needed. And put in the sausages and garlic. Stir fry till the sausages are slightly brown on the outside. Now, pour in the sweet and sour sauce. Bring it to a boil till the sauce thickens. Add some pepper. And we are done. A lockdown, kids-friendly recipe, sweet and sour potatoes and sausages.
Please like, share and subscribe to my daddy's channel for more interesting videos.